Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in not today's newspaper, because today's newspaper is on Monday, September the 20th, 2021. Today we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and there are no extra Sudokus in this newspaper. No additional. So I have decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Thursday edition, September the 9th, 2021. And I've almost solved the puzzles, and one left. Yes, I've solved them almost. And one left is the Tectonic with 1 star. 1 star, and this will be a number. This will be number 3422. 3422. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Should be an easy one. Yes, of course, it's a 1 star. And for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. All right, so let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here 2 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. All right, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me see here, a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. The 2 is already filled in, so this box should be a 1. More, another one, dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. More dual boxes here, but I cannot tell if this is a 1 or this is a 2. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Then triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No, I don't think we have triple boxes. I see only a quadra box here. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. 2 numbers left here. And remember, if you see a quadra box in the L shape, the inside box is always a 5. So those 2 boxes will be the 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay. Here another quadra box, but I cannot fill this yet. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this. Okay, we have here the L shape. Yes. And remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has always the same number as that box. More L shape in this puzzle? No. Well, here, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following figure or shape or structure or constriction, whatever you name it, this shape. Alright. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. More of these kind of shapes in this puzzle? No. I think those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2 of them in this puzzle. But we have more. But in this puzzle, you need to recognize only 2 of them. Okay, so the next step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those, 2 and 4. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 and a 2 here. Oh, wait. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. We have a 1 here. So those two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Well, I think this box cannot be a 2. Because if I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 3 and the 1 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1 in one of those two boxes. Should be a 2. It cannot be a 3 in one of those two boxes. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Then these two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. These two boxes can be 4. So the 3 and the 4, goes in those two boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. Okay, we go up. Up. Let me see. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 5. So the 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for number 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2, should be here. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes, faster than 15 minutes, correct. So it's a 1 star, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic. Playlist for the killer Sudoku, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.